In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Steam games to a different account. Right away, it's important to set expectations. Steam does not let you move or gift game ownership from one account to another. That's part of the Steam subscriber agreement, and there isn't a workaround to change your license. The good news is you can share instead. Steam Family Sharing lets you share your game library with up to 5 other Steam accounts on the same device, so others can play without changing who owns the games. To set it up, open the Steam app and sign in. At the top left, open the Steam menu, choose Settings, then select Family. In the Family section, turn on the option to authorize library sharing. Once enabled, you'll see profiles that have signed in on this device. Check the accounts you want to grant access to and apply your changes. Those accounts need to have logged into Steam on this machine at least once so it shows up here. That's what links the device to your library. After you've authorized sharing, the selected accounts can browse and install games from your library on this device. Ownership doesn't change, everything still belongs to your account, but they can play your titles as if they were theirs. Each person keeps their own save files, achievements, and settings, so progress stays separate for every player. There are a few limits to keep in mind. Only one person can play a specific shared game at a time. If you start a game that someone else is playing from your library, they may be prompted to close it. Some games using third-party DRM, subscriptions, or region locks may not be shareable. Free-to-play titles generally aren't shared, and the DLC you own is available to the borrower only if they're launching the base game from your library. Purchases made while playing your shared games are tied to the borrower's account and wallet, not yours. If you ever need to adjust who has access, return to the same Family Settings panel to manage or revoke sharing. This keeps you in control of which accounts can use your library on that device. That's all there is to it. While you can transfer licenses between accounts, Steam Family Sharing offers a safe, supported way to let trusted users on the same device enjoy your collection without moving ownership. Make sure you're on the correct device, and let anyone you authorize know about the one-at-a-time limit so there are no surprises. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.